Napansin mo ba na sa mundo, lagi na lang natin naririnig, huwag ka nang umasa, don't get your hopes up. Pero si God, iba ang sinasabi niya. Raise your hope. Because hope is a positive expectation of good. Sa Bible, ang ibig sabihin ng hope sa Greek ay elpis, meaning confident expectation, expecting good from God, joyful anticipation. Hindi siya baka sakali, hindi siya wishful thinking. Hope is expecting Jesus to show up. At ito ang sabi sa Hosea 2:15. In the valley of Achor, I will give her a door of hope. Alam mo ba ang Hebrew meaning ng Achor ay trouble, pain, hardship? Meaning, sa lugar ng problema mo, may door of hope. Your trouble is not your ending. Your valley is not your graveyard. Your setback is not your final chapter. God literally says, sa mismong lugar ng trouble mo, doon ko bubuksan ang door of hope. While the world says, lower your expectations, Jesus says, expect good from me. Whatever trouble you're in right now, my friend, financial trouble man yan, heart trouble, family trouble, future trouble, there is a door of hope waiting for you. You just need to look to Jesus. Makinig ka lang lagi and read God's Word. Believe in Jesus, my friend. Your door of hope in every valley of trouble. Declare this with faith. In my trouble, Jesus is my door of hope. Blessed to be a blessing. God bless. Check nyo po yung showcase natin dyan sa profile ko for recommended books na siguradong magugustuhan ng buong pagkatao nyo. Katulad nitong Everyday Blessings, Self-Talk for Success, 100 Most Encouraging Verses of the Bible, isa sa paborito ko, Never Give Up. Check nyo po dyan sa showcase sa profile natin. God bless.